Hi guys, this is Nidhi and welcome to my channel Get Gorgeous with Nidhi. Well, in today's video, I will take you guys through these amazing eyeliners that I recently got from Amazon. All these liners are very different and I'll be creating some graphic eyeliners in this video. I'll show you 3 different kind of eyeliners, and also I have a very interesting product with me. Now this is an eyeliner which helps you stick your eyelashes. So I was very excited to see if this kind of product would actually work and help me in sticking my eyelashes. You're gonna see that in the video. So I'll be reviewing this product. I have this white eyeliner which is from Makeup Revolution. It's so stunning. I have swatched everything here. All the products that I got, I've swatched everything here, so you'll see that in the video. And then I have these 4 stunning colors from Color Essence. And as I said, yes, I'll be creating graphic eyeliners in this video. Also reviewing all these products and other things that I bought from Amazon. Amazon has some great offers running right now. I have put the details here in the description box below. The link of all the products is there. You can just check it out, go on to the link and shop. And yeah, let's get started with this video. And before we start, a quick reminder to subscribe to my channel if you've not done it yet. So yes, let's get started and play with some colors. So the first eyeliner that I want to show you guys is this eyeliner from Makeup Revolution. Now this is a white eyeliner, and I wanted a white eyeliner from a very long time, and I absolutely love the tip of this. It's very easy to use, and you can see it's very intense, and I think just one stroke is good enough. Let me create an eyeliner look using this. So yeah, let's start with this Makeup Revolution eyeliner. Now I'm just creating a winged eyeliner. Oh my god, I'm absolutely loving this white eyeliner. I've never used a white eyeliner before, and I think it looks absolutely stunning. Now I have these 4 colorful eyeliners. Now these are from Color Essence. I have purple, blue, green, and this is like a yellowish golden color. And they all are shimmer eyeliners, which means they have a slight shine to it. I'm going to swatch each one. Let's go with the purple first. This is how the purple looks. Beautiful, isn't it? Wow. I love this blue. Again, a very beautiful shade, and these liners are very easy to use. These are pen eyeliners, so you know, even if you're a beginner, it won't be an issue. You can always try these. Now this is the beautiful golden color that I'm talking about. Okay, I'll just remove this white eyeliner and let's create a look using this colored eyeliner. So yes, keep watching the video because I'm going to try this and put the lashes using this eyeliner. It will be pretty interesting. I'll be trying it for the first time. I've never used anything like this before, so I'm also very excited. But yeah, first let's create a colored graphic eyeliner. So first step has to be, you know, concealing your eyelid properly. I'm using this Maybelline concealer. This is an Age Rewind concealer. Applying this on both my eyelids. After applying the concealer, always apply some compact or loose powder to seal this in place so that, you know, like you have a smooth base to work on. Okay, I'm taking this blue color. I think I absolutely love this shade and really tempted to try this one. I always like to start by creating a small wing, like a small angle, and then join it towards my eyelid, okay, like here. So I'm going to do that. Tip is really good. It's very easy to use, and it's also not dry. A lot of times, you know, when I've purchased pen eyeliners, they turn out to be very dry and the color is not very intense, but I think this is a very nice liquidy eyeliner. Now I'm drawing a thin line from the inner corner till this midpoint. So the starting part of your eyeliner should always be thin, and it should get thicker and thicker. Only then you will get that proper shape. And So always start with a thin eyeliner and then you can always increase the thickness of the eyeliner, right? So done applying a simple winged eyeliner on both my eyes. Now again with the same eyeliner, I'm just creating some dots here on my crease area. I'm just gonna look into my mirror here and then create this. So basically I joined all those dots and like created a line like this and giving it a slight angle here, like pointing towards the eyebrows. So this is how it looks. So first draw like a very thin line and now I'm going to make this thicker. Okay, so this is how the eyeliner is looking. So these kind of eyeliners are called graphic eyeliners, you know, and I love experimenting when it comes to eyeliner. I had a lot of fun creating this. Now I'm just going to make slight changes in this and teach you how you can also, you know, if your eyeliner has gone wrong, you can correct it or make some changes. So I'm just taking this earbud and this one has a little bit of micellar water. Now I'm just cleaning the tip of this. Now I'm joining this part, the tip of the wing, and just creating like a curved line. So this is how this design looks like. I prefer this one more than the earlier design. Which one did you like? Do let me know. And also, like, you can always experiment more, you know, with graphic liners. Just use some colors. You can mix some white in this. I mean, it will look very stunning. Blue and white, it would be a great combination. Or you can just add some color here in the inner corners, or, you know, just add like a tinge of purple here. I mean, there's so many things that you can do, right? And now let's go on to our next eyeliner, which is the most interesting part. Now this one, again, I got it from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box below. Now this particular eyeliner helps in sticking your eyelashes, so it gets very easier. You don't have to use any glue. These are called magnetic eyeliners. So here is how it looks. I got the one in black. I already have this stunning blue eyeliner and I really don't want to spoil it. So I'm going to put like a very thin line. So just going very close to the lash line. Okay, I am taking my eyelashes now and let's try to stick them. This is super easy, guys. Just one thing, I tried sticking these eyelashes using this liner and I was having a little bit of difficulty because this is an old eyelash, so it already has some glue on it. So I used a fresh piece and, you know, it just took me like 2 minutes to stick these lashes. So I think this eyeliner has definitely made my life now easier. But yes, make sure that the band is a little thin, otherwise it will keep coming out. As I told you that, you know, with these old lashes, since there was a lot of product already on the lash band, so I could not stick them properly. It was coming out from the inner corner side. So yeah, that is it. And now let me take you through other products that I bought from Amazon and I absolutely love them too. Now this is a cleansing balm. Trust me, this is an amazing product to have in your kit to remove your makeup. It's super easy. Now look at this. This is how it looks. So all you have to do is just take out a little bit of cleansing balm and just massage your face and then rinse it. Now this one is a dupe for Clinique. Clinique cleansing balm is super expensive. It might be at least 4 times the price of this one, and that's the reason I'm telling you, in case if you want. I mean, this is really good. It helps in removing all kind of makeup, your eye makeup, lip makeup, face makeup, and also this product is free from paraben. It is vegan, so a great product to have. It will cost you 545 rupees. The link is in the description box below. Now I also got these 2 lipsticks. Now this one is from Maybelline. This is a super stay lipstick. The shade that I got is 15. It's called Lover. Look at the shade. So it's like a very mauve-ish shade. I think it's very good for the winter season. I like applying dark lipsticks when it comes to winter makeup. And now the other one is this from Bellora Paris. I really wanted to try their lipsticks because I have heard a lot about them. I keep seeing their ads on Instagram also. This is also vegan, it's cruelty free. This costed me $5.99. The shade that I got is 26. It's called Better Bombay, and this is this shade. And apart from all this, I also like to keep my makeup very dewy. So I like applying, you know, cream products, liquid blushers. So this is my favorite liquid blusher in drugstore range. This is from Makeup Revolution. It's called Super Dewy Liquid Blush. Again, the link is in the description box below. You can see it's highly used by me. I use it almost every day. I also have a liquid blusher which is in NARS, but that is again super expensive. So this one costed me 695 rupees, but I'm sure, you know, on most of these products, you might end up getting some kind of discount because Amazon is running, you know, really great offers. So do check it out. So all the links are in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this graphic eyeliner makeup video and all the products that I have shown you guys today in this video. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, guys. And yeah, keep showing your love. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.